Okay, so hello. Today I'll be presenting on how to catch oral cancer by using the promoter hypermethylation. So our group consists of Associate Professor Dr. Korgutia, and I am Teo Sian Ying, and I will be presenting today's presentation. So to give some context behind this invention, basically what we're trying to do here is we're trying to detect the oral cancer at an earlier stage by using the biomarker of promoter hypermethylation. So there's a reason as to why oral cancer has such a high morbidity rate, and it's because the majority of the patients are diagnosed at a later stage. Hence, if we are able to identify the appropriate biomarkers for oral cancer identification at an earlier stage, we can significantly reduce the cancer morbidity rate. And actually, this promoter hypermethylation has been observed in different types of cancer. However, for today's study, we'll be looking closely at TP73. So our objective for this study is basically to evaluate TP73 hypermethylation as an early and sensitive detection tool for identifying oral cancer. So the methodology behind this study is basically TP73 was chosen after screening using methylation microarray. So there are two test validations done, which includes methylation-specific polymerase chain reaction analysis, as well as immunohistochemical staining in tumor tissues. So to summarize the workflow of the study, first of all, the human genome DNA was extracted and was converted using bisulfite. And then it will undergo genomic amplification in the polymerase chain reaction. The hypermethylated genes are then screened using microarray. Then, the TP73 hypermethylated gene was then selected as the signature candidate. MSPCR and IHC assays were applied for methylation and protein expression studies. So these are the results that we obtained from the study. In tumor cases, 93% in promoter hypermethylation were observed in the methylation-specific polymerase chain reaction, and 15% of protein expression was seen with immunohistochemistry. So as you can see in figure 2, it is an electrophoretic image. So 6 samples was obtained, and all 6 samples show positive TP73 methylation status. As you can see, there are bands that are observed there. And in figure 3, it is basically a section of the oral squamous cell carcinoma tissue. So if you look closely, you'll be able to observe the brown staining. And so the brown staining shows positive TP73 immunostaining. And this section was done in 20 magnification. The novelty of the study basically concludes that TP73 hypermethylation acts as an early and sensitive diagnostic tool for oral cancer. So what are the benefits of this invention to the society? As I've mentioned previously, TP73 promoter hypermethylation can be a very useful diagnostic tool for early cancer detection. So this invention can basically aid as cancer screening test for healthy population. Since we are able to diagnose the cancer at an earlier stage, we will be creating a healthier community, which will then improve the social sustainability. So I would like to thank the Fundamental Research Grant Scheme from the Ministry of Higher Education, Malaysia, as well as the Faculty of Dentistry of the University Technology Mara, Sungai Buloh campus. Thank you for listening and have a nice day.